In Onshape, you can create geometric tolerances in a drawing. To start, click on the geometric tolerance icon in the ribbon, and the dialog box will open up. First, go to the symbol dropdown and choose what kind of tolerance you're trying to create. First, let's start off with a flatness tolerance, and you can enter in the numerical value. Then we will move over the model and select the edge to which it will be attached, and then move the tolerance to where we want it to appear, and then left click to place it. Then you can create other additional tolerances. Let's now create a perpendicularity tolerance and change our value. Then we can specify the datums that we want to use. And instead of making this with a leader, we can attach this one to an existing dimension. Now let's take a look at doing a position tolerance. And once again, we can change the value for the tolerance, specify additional datums as necessary. To add symbols, position where the symbol should appear. And then from the drop-down list, you can see we have a variety of different symbols like diameters. And if you want to apply a material condition, use the next drop-down list. This one will be a maximum material condition. And then we will select the dimension to which it will be attached. Let's do another one. We'll use the same tolerance. And then let's hit the check mark. If you want to then edit the tolerance, then you can select it and then double click on it. This will open up the form again. If you want to add a second frame to it, click on the plus sign, and then you can change its type of tolerance. Let's do perpendicularity and enter in a value, and then specify the corresponding datum. Hit the check mark, and that way the tolerance will be edited with the additional frame. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more information, please visit www.creowindchill.com. If you learned something from this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like this video, please click the subscribe button and ring the bell to be informed when new videos are uploaded. Thank you very much.